Growth isn't just about learning new concepts or acquiring knowledge. It's about implementing what you've learned consistently and effectively. And that's what I touched on at the beginning of this masterclass. A person can read book after book after book after book, but until they have learned how to take that information and apply it to their lives, reading the book was merely an experience rather than a tool for transformation. The key to a growth-oriented life is aligning your mindset with actionable steps that move you towards your goal. Joe Dispenza teaches that when we engage in consistent, purposeful action, we begin to alter the brain's wiring in a way that makes those actions feel more natural, automatic, and easier to perform over time. Think of going to the gym. Day 1 and day 3 are not the same as 6 weeks into your new routine. Repetition forms new neural pathways. Engaging in a behavior or an action repeatedly allows your brain to strengthen the neural connections associated with that behavior. Also, the brain doesn't differentiate between real and imagined actions. Joe explains that when we vividly imagine a behavior or an action, say visualizing yourself exercising or completing a work task, the brain activates similar neural pathways as if you were actually performing that task. This means you can rewire your brain just by visualizing alone. Now, it's important to understand that the consistency is what bridges the gap between the intention and the action. It's not enough to just think about your goals. To create lasting change, you need to actually engage in the action regularly. Each time you repeat a behavior, you're sending a signal to your brain that this is important. Over time, your brain adjusts to make the behavior more automatic. Perfection is never required, but the action must be consistent. Consistency creates neural momentum that's going to propel you forward. Inconsistency is going to keep your brain in that same state of confusion. It never fully adapts to the changes that you're trying to implement. So small repeated actions are going to be more effective over getting it perfect and doing it one time.